Hello, everyone. My name is Brayden Rucker. I'm a third-year medical student at OSU COM, and today I'm presenting our study entitled The Influence of the COVID-19 Pandemic on Anesthesiology Clinical Trials. For our introduction, the COVID-19 pandemic has significantly altered clinical trial conduct due to public safety measures, supply chain shortages, and resource reallocation. Clinical practice of surgical and perioperative specialties were especially impacted due to the reduction in elective procedures. Although clinical practice has been altered, the extent of disruption to anesthesiology clinical trials remains unknown. Therefore, the primary objective of our study was to evaluate the extent of clinical trials disruption in the field of anesthesiology secondary to the COVID-19 pandemic. For our methods, we generated a systematic search on October 2nd, 2021, using clinicaltrials.gov to identify all clinical trials related to the practice of anesthesiology. To receive all trials potentially affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, our date range was January 1st, 2020 through October 1st of 2021. Investigators screened for relevant studies and extracted listed reasons for trial discontinuation. The search string is featured in the box below, entitled Box 1. Our results are shown in the diagrams and table in the middle, and the interpretation of these results are a total of 823 clinical trials met inclusion criteria, and a total of 146 clinical trials were discontinued within the designated date range. 24, or 16.4% of the 146 clinical trials were halted explicitly due to the COVID-19 pandemic. There was a significant association that was found between trial enrollment numbers and the likelihood of discontinuation due to COVID-19, as larger trials are more likely to be disrupted, with a p-value of 0.0036. So some conclusions that can be taken from our study are the COVID-19 pandemic has been a major cause of anesthesiology-related clinical trial discontinuation. With the uncertain course of the COVID-19 pandemic, we recommend that future trials examine alternative methods for trial protocols to help minimize social interaction and prevent premature trial disruption. It's crucial to consider further efforts in maintaining trial conduction with the purpose of improving anesthetic care. The value of collective data collection and dissemination to researchers and anesthesia providers has been evident throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. And overall, anesthesiology-related clinical research must continue even during difficult times, and the unforeseen end to the COVID-19 pandemic should spark an initiative to incorporate innovative methods for data retrieval and trial conduct within the breadth of anesthesiology. So our references are shown here in the bottom right, and that is all I have for you today. I appreciate your time. Thank you.